winds will cause hazardous seas which will likely capsize or damage vessels and severely reduce visibility. Tropical storm warning remains in effect. Southwest winds 35 to 45 knots with gusts 60 knots and seas 10 to 15 feet. Areas affected include Nantucket Sound, Vineyard Sound, Buzzards Bay and coastal waters extending out to 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. When tropical storm force winds possible until early this evening. Impacts include very strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could damage vessels and reduce. A tropical storm warning remains in effect. A tropical storm warning is in effect. New information. Changes to watches and warnings. Tropical storm warning has been issued for southern Worcester, Massachusetts, western Norfolk, Massachusetts, and western Plymouth, Massachusetts, telling watches. A storm surge warning and hurricane warning are in effect for Block Island, Rhode Island, Newport, Rhode Island, and Washington, Rhode Island. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Hartford, Connecticut, northern Bristol, Massachusetts, northwest Providence, Rhode Island, southeast Providence, Rhode Island, southern Worcester, Massachusetts, Tolland, Connecticut, western Kent, Rhode Island, western Norfolk, Massachusetts, western Plymouth, Massachusetts, and Windham, Connecticut. A storm surge warning and tropical storm warning are in effect for Barnstable, Massachusetts, Bristol, Rhode Island, Dukes, Massachusetts, eastern Kent, Rhode Island, Nantucket, Massachusetts, southern Bristol, Massachusetts, and southern Plymouth, Massachusetts. Storm information about 120 miles south of Providence, Rhode Island, 40.1 to 71.2 west. Storm intensity 75 miles per hour. Movement north or 350 degrees at miles per hour. Situation overview. Henri is expected to make landfall somewhere between eastern Long Island and Narragansett Bay as either a strong tropical storm or a lower and Category 1 hurricane. It should weaken rapidly as it heads into central and northeast Massachusetts tonight and Monday. The main hazards include damaging winds, flooding rain, storm surge flooding, and possibly a tornado. Next update. The next local statement will be issued by the National Weather Service in Boston, Massachusetts around 12 Eastern Daylight Time, or sooner if conditions warrant. A storm surge warning remains in effect and a tropical storm warning remains in effect. Now for the official